Hello and welcome to my wrecking bar build. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I've fetched a couple of handfuls of pallets and packing cases. I started by stripping them down with the thumb finder and a crowbar, which didn't go down too well. So I thought it were about time I built myself a pallet dismantling tool type thingy bog type thing. So I got some steel bar off some old tower scaffolding and some 25 by 25 box section. I wanted the forks to be about 4.5 inches apart. Then I put a curve on the forks so it mounted onto the scaffold pole a little bit better. And once I'd done that, I just welded it into a fork shape. For the lever bar, it needed to be on an angle so you can get more leverage. So I just guessed at that. Then all that's left is to test it. Now this tool is fantastic. It saved hours and hours of backache and pain, etc, etc. If you haven't got one, if you can't make one, I would really suggest going and buying one if you're dealing in a lot of pallets. I'll see if I can find a link and pop it in the description. It really is a useful tool if you're dealing in pallets. It's not just the backache and pain, it's the more usable material you can get off a pallet when you've used one of these. It took me all day to strip the first load of pallets down and about an hour to strip this load down. Made a hell of a difference. And a big thanks to Big Pete, who pointed me in the direction of a Roughneck wrecking bar. And thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.